Hello my beautiful nail lovers, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You're highly welcome to Design by Osil. As always know, this channel go to cover for latest nail designs, trending nail designs will be on the channel. So if you're a lover of beautiful nails, this channel is your go-to destination for most stylish and most gorgeous styles. So guys, if you're coming across any of my videos for the first time, please do well to subscribe. Okay, join this lovely family by hitting the subscribe button. Then remember to turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss out whenever a new video is dropped in this channel. Thank you so much as you join us. So my ladies, as you can see today, we've carefully selected the most gorgeous and stunning short nail designs for my ladies. Short acrylic nail designs for gorgeous ladies like you. I'm just so happy for today's video because watching this video, you're gonna be seeing amazing design. You're gonna be seeing most stylish and trending short nail design that will elevate your look. Trust me, these nails are so beautiful. So I don't know how you like it, but you have varieties. We have it in different colors, different nail designs, different nail arts on each of them. So do watch from beginning to the end and then select your favorite. If you're a lover of short nails, trust me, this video is highly recommended for you because you'll be seeing amazing short nail designs for you my ladies. Just watch this video and pick your favorite slide, and as you watch, do like and share to your loved ones, then subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you guys in our next video. Bye.